Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK49s Lunchtime and Tea Time Prediction Friday 22nd August 2025. 21st August 2025 UK49s Lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 20, number 24, number 36. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK49's lunchtime prediction number first number 5, number 19, number 43, number 25, number 39, booster number 6. UK49's tea time prediction number first number 44, number 10, number 7, number 21, number 32, booster number 28. UK49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.